How to see Instagram stories without them knowing, or without the seen option, and without an app, without downloading anything. Is it possible? Yes, it is. You want to view other people's stories, but you don't want them knowing. Are you up to something? I don't care, because in this video I'll show you how to do that. And again, you don't need to download anything. Disregard all the YouTube videos that you've watched so far. This is a method other people don't talk about. I invented it. All I want from you is to grab two things. First, a cup of coffee, because you're awesome. And second, my free 0 to 10k followers got on Instagram that you can grab your copy of in the description down below. Like this video for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you're new, with bell notifications on, of course. Okay, so if you're just on Instagram and you go, right, and you check someone's story, right, or something, they will notice, right, they'll have a scene option like this. The only way to actually do it is outside of the app, but we don't want to enter our password into weird sites. We don't want to be downloading anything. And the way to do that is the following. You go on your browser and you just type in the name of the person or the username of the person that you want to see the Instagram story of. For example, Dr. Nikki, right? And if you paid attention, you just saw my stories. When we just click this, we can see all of this person, in this situation, my stories. It just takes some time to load. I'll switch to mobile internet, it will be a little bit faster. So there's a video here, right? You can see the video, another video, and all of this can be seen without, someone seeing that, without the scene option. The person, or in this case me, won't really notice it. So again, the website is storyseek.com. Go on it. I didn't get paid to advertise this website. It's just something that I figured can be done, because I've had a lot of creepy people in my comments asking me how can that be done. You know what? I'll shout you out in one of the next episodes. All I want from you is to comment your Instagram username down below, and I'll shout you out, as I said, in one of the next videos. And the shout out winner on this video is... Remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away, and by the end of this video you should definitely check one of these videos out. Bye.